Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the English class. Today we are going to learn the poem The Quarrel, written by Eleanor Fargian. Generally, brothers and sisters quarrel with each other. It is a very common situation. Many times they quarrel with each other without any reason. Their quarrels begin over very small petty issues and end with a small kind of act or even fight. And they may start to hate each other and stop talking with each other for some time. And later they make it up and reconcile with each other and live happily. It is very mystic and beautiful. So let us learn the poem to feel the same. Let us read The Quarrel. I quarrelled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. Here the poet is trying to explain how a quarrel between a brother and his sister began and ended without any reason. The poet says that she quarreled with her brother over something and she was not even aware why she was quarreling. One thing was giving way to another, and soon both of them fell out. Here, fell out means to argue with someone and stop being friendly with them. So here, the poet and her brother started to hate each other and stopped talking with each other. How was their quarreling in the beginning? And how did it end? Yes, the start of the quarrel was slight, and the end of it was very strong, that they started to hate each other. And who was wrong in this quarrel? The poet or her brother? Yes, the poet tells that her brother said that he was right, but she knew definitely that her brother was wrong. Let us read the second stanza. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Now, what do we see here? Yes, the poet tells that her brother and she hated one another, and the afternoon turned black. That means the night came and still their fight was not end. They were not talking with each other. And then suddenly her brother thumped her on the back. Here the verb thumped means patted or bet slightly on something. So here we see that poet's brother suddenly patted her on the back and asked her to come along, and that they cannot go all night like this. Let our anger not go more than the sunset. And he admitted that he was wrong. And so the poet says that she was wrong. Why does the poet says that she was wrong? Yes, it was because she could not even forgive her brother and she was not talking with him. But it was her brother who started talking first and asked her pardon and reconciled with her. So the poet says that she was in the wrong. So what message does this poem give us? Yes, Through this poem, Eleanor Fargian gives us the message that quarrels are common between the siblings, but it should not harm their relationship with each other. Our anger should not be allowed to go beyond the sunset. Each of us must take it as our own responsibility to be the first one who reconciles with our brother or sister with whom we have quarreled, because it will help us have a healthy and happy relationship with our siblings.